Mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako nga po pala si Emmanuel o Alejandre. Ito po ang aking daily devotion ngayong September 17. And for today, ating pag-uusapan kung bakit hinayaan ni Lord na patayin si Charlie Kirk. Now, this topic is very recent, no? Because this just happened. Isang taong merong malalakas na political views ay isa ring taong nagbibigay ng kanyang strong beliefs, religious beliefs, and he also shares the gospel. That's Charlie Kirk. Na kung hindi niyo po kilala at alam ang nangyari sa kanya, he died recently due to a high caliber gun shooting, no? And this is related to our daily devotion because this shows God's sovereignty. Ibig sabihin po ng sovereignty, lahat ng nangyayari sa mundong ito ay alam at kontrolado ng Panginoon. There is nothing that escapes His grasp. So, this also includes, yes, the bad things, no? Mass shootings, murder, other forms of crime, genocide, war, plagues, all of this is within God's grasp and control. Sabi nga po sa Psalm chapter 115 verse 3, Our God is in heaven. He does whatever pleases Him. And the sovereign will of God covers whatsoever comes to pass. Ibig sabihin po nito, yung sovereignty niya, walang pinipili. Everything that happens in God's control. Even the evil and the misfortune. Ngayon, mag-iisip ka, bakit? No? Why does God allow those things to happen? Well, the thing is, we may never know. We do not have the capacity to understand the inner workings of God's mind. We may understand some parts of His plan, pero we will never reach full understanding of His will because He is God, no? It is not something for us to comprehend because we cannot comprehend God fully, no? Pero, tatandaan mo, tatatak mo sa puso't isip mo, lahat ng nangyayari ay kontrolado ng Panginoon at lahat ng nangyayari ay kasama sa kanyang ultimate plan. So, comfort is found in God's sovereignty even in times of suffering. Dahil alam natin na kontrolado niya to. Nangyayari to dahil hinayaan niyang mangyari. That is how we should always think of it, no? That's how we should approach it. We should find comfort in God's sovereignty. Dahil hindi tayo pababayaan ng Panginoon. And no matter what happens, as long as we remain faithful to Him, we will be saved. So feast in the presence of your enemies. Look them dead in the eyes. And hold steady because you know that God is with you. So fall in love with the biblical doctrine that everything is in God's control. Because uncertainty, anxiety, that will all be gone once you realize that everything happens through God. Yun lamang po ang aking daily devotion. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig. Pagpalain po tayong lahat and let us all give glory to God.